Dear student, as I have taught you how to implement the while block in a single phase, that means single phase counter, I have shown you how to implement that particular single phase. As this program has been implemented here, in this program I have shown you that I am using a single block while statement. That means here you find it that while count less than 10, that means it will repeat up to how many times? It will repeat up to 10 times. Though it is 10 means it is starting from 0 to 10. That means 11 time I have given the counter to repeat, and counter will repeat for the 10 times, and as soon as it comes out from that, that means from the 11th time it will come out from there. So this is one of the process that you have seen it, and I have shown you how to implement. Now another program I am going to show you on related to this. See here, in this particular scenario or in this particular program, what I have done, I have used one counter. That means this counter I have named as I equals to 0. Then I have taken one string, any type of string you can use. Here I have used the excessive string name, and in this particular string what has been done, first I have implemented the while loop. That in this while loop what I have implemented one len function. So what does this len function will going to do? Len function will going to retrieve the value of a. So what we have find it that here inside of the while loop one if loop has been also implemented. So if loop, you have seen it that if loop means there should be some conditional phase, and here I have used the operators also. What operator has been used? Or operator. Let us run the program and see how the program is executing. Then the next part I am going to discuss. Okay, so see here what is my condition and what the how the loop is executing. Now in this program, first and foremost condition that I have given, that if ai is e or ai is s, that means the letter e and s, these two letters will not going to print. So without printing these two letters, what I have done, I have skipped the letter. After skipping the letter, I find it that I will going to turn on that particular phase of the word which I have used here. This is excessive, the word I have used here. You see excessive, excessive. So in this excessive, what is the condition? I said you will not going to print e, you will not going to print s. That means what the condition I have to give? If ai equals to e, that means as soon as it is coming inside this loop, it is finding if it is e, or if I give n, then both the condition must be satisfied, or means either of the condition should be satisfied. This is one of the conditional loop. So you find it if it is s, then what will happen? It will going to print out that I equals to plus equals to 1. That means I equals to I plus 1. Next, what I have used continue statement. Now continue statements will repeat the iterative process of the if loop. As soon as it find this, then it will not going to do the work. Else if it doesn't find that particular portion, then it will going to take out one of the letter from this particular word, and it will going to print. So what it will print? First it has print x. That means e, when it come in the first phase, it find that if ai equals to yes, it is so it will not go, and it will not print. So what it will do, it will skip the particular loop and come to the next part. That means now I will become I equals to I plus 1. What is I is 0, 0 plus 1. That means I have said earlier the values are stored from the 0th position, not the 1st position in a computer. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this way the values are stored. As soon as the values are stored in this way, what we find in the 0th position, it find the e value and it come out or quit out from there, and it increases the phase. That means I equals to I plus 1. Now I became 1. That means 0 plus 1 is an 1. So as soon as 0 plus 1 is 1, what it will do, it find it whether the value is e or s. No, the value is not e or s, it is x. So as soon as the value is x, it will going to print out a